everyone! Welcome to Christian's Travel Channel. I hope you like and subscribe if you like this video. Today I'll be sharing with you the cheapest accommodation I booked in Agoda during our Cook Island trip in Rarotonga. The cost per day for this apartment is $114 in Australian dollars including taxes. This was the cheapest accommodation I saw on Agoda, and I read reviews online and it got good reviews. That's why I decided to book it in. The location of this apartment is like 15 to 20 minutes drive away from the airport if you drive on the east side of the island. The cozy apartment is tucked away in a lush garden-filled environment, surrounded by tropical trees and greenery that creates a peaceful, nature-rich atmosphere. They even have this cute ginger local house cat, and she is very friendly to strangers. This budget-friendly apartment offers a practical and comfortable living space ideal for students, small families, solo travelers, or anyone looking for a cost-effective accommodation. Rarotonga Beach Apartments is fully furnished with basic essentials. It has a kitchenette with stove, fridge, and utensils. It also has a large private bathroom with hot water. There is no aircon, Wi-Fi, or TV on this apartment, but they do have two large ceiling fans. The window and doors has a mesh on it, so you won't get any mosquitoes going inside the apartment. While the apartment is modest and may not offer luxury amenities, it provides the clean, quiet, and affordable place to stay with everything you need for daily living. The best part of this place is there is a beach just across the road, where you can enjoy a secluded stretch of beach with hardly anyone around. Also, if you drive 5 minutes away, you will reach Muri Lagoon. Located on the eastern coast of Rarotonga, Muri Lagoon is renowned for its tranquil waters, picturesque motus or islets, and vibrant marine life. The lagoon spans approximately 1 kilometer in width and boasts a maximum depth of 1.25 meters, making it an ideal spot for swimming, snorkeling, and kayaking, and the perfect place to see sea turtles on a daily basis. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.